AMD's next-gen RDNA for Radeon RX 8000 GPUs GFX1200 and GFX1201 GPU spotted, possibly Navi 44 and Navi 48. AMD's next-gen RDNA for GPUs, which would power the Radeon RX 8000 series, have started to see support in the Linux LLVM patches with the addition of the GFX1200 and GFX1201 IPs. AMD Radeon RX 8000 GPUs based on RDNA for architecture spotted in GFX1200 and GFX1201 flavors, possible Navi 44 and Navi 48 SKUs. The two AMD RDNA 4 and Navi 4X GPUs were mentioned in the latest LLVM project notes, where one dev has highlighted to define target names and ELF numbers for new GFX12 targets, which include the GFX1200 and GFX1201. It is mentioned that both of these GPUs behave identically to the GFX11 RDNA 3 family for now, but we can expect more bigger differences down the road since these are still a year away from launch. Out of the two GPUs, the GFX1200 ID has previously been used for the Navi 41 SKU, though there are reports that AMD has cancelled its high-end Navi 4X offerings, which were meant to utilize the Navi 4C die for a chiplet-esque design. Now, the company is allegedly targeting the high-end and mainstream segment. The difference between flagship and high-end offerings is that AMD likes to consider everything above $500 US as an enthusiast-class product, and these products have predominantly been using the top Navi X1 dies, but this time, that is most likely not going to happen. According to a post by @olrak29_, who has previously helped lay out the die block diagrams and configurations for several RDNA GPUs, it looks like these two RDNA 4 and Navi 4X IDs could be the Navi 44 and Navi 48 SKUs. The naming might suggest that these are very low-end SKUs, but AMD has already clarified that the numbering shouldn't represent performance segment positioning. So we won't go into speculative territory on that front until we have more information. So it's good to see that initial work is now beginning on AMD's next-gen RDNA for architecture that will go on to power the Radeon RX 8000 series. There are a lot of things to be excited about for the next lineup, as the Red team has promised to evolve the performance even further versus the RDNA 3 family, while offering a range of new features for its Navi 4X class of chips, such as a brand new graphics pipeline, better ray tracing capabilities, higher efficiency, and also utilizing AI accelerators in a more smart way. The next-gen AMD Radeon GPU lineup based on the RDNA for architecture is expected to launch by 2024, and will be utilizing a new and advanced process node.